Now, in terms of tools and materials we're gonna need for this job. So tools-wise, you're just gonna need your standard, couple ratchets, and you're gonna need some sockets, okay, to get everything off. Specialty tools-wise, you're gonna need obviously a spark plug socket to get the spark plugs off, a torque wrench to put everything back together properly, spark plugs, NGKs. The number is 6510, and again, I'll put a link to all this stuff down below in case you wanna buy the same stuff that I bought. Now let's go ahead and tackle the spark plug change. First thing to do is to go ahead and remove this plastic engine cover. It just pries up if you lift on it, and then you can go ahead and loosen up this little hose here just by pressing on the connector and moving it off to the side. Now for our coil packs, first thing to do is detach these connectors. So pull forward and then push down. That should release it. And then you can go ahead and set each one to the side. Repeat for all four. And then we can use an 8mm socket in order to remove the coil packs from the engine. Once you have those all loosened, go ahead and remove each of the coil packs and just set them aside somewhere safe. We can then go ahead and use a 5/8 spark plug socket, preferably a thin wall and deep one, in order to remove each of the spark plugs. Just go ahead and loosen those up and then remove the spark plugs from the holes. Once the spark plugs are all out, go ahead and check them for any sort of, oily buildup or uneven burning, which could indicate some sort of engine problem. But if all looks good, go ahead and drop in your new spark plugs and torque those down to 14 foot-pounds. Then drop in your coil packs, reconnect them, and reattach them using the 8mm bolts. There is no specified torque spec for these, so I just go ahead and get them snug but not super tight. And then once that is all zipped up, we can go ahead and reattach our hose and then the engine cover, and we are all done. I hope the video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you on the next one.